the Gen Z don't like phone calls a lot. They find it invading their privacy. They love texting. The problem is, texting may take a long time to process. One, when you text, you check your grammar. And sometimes you're only texting one paragraph, it ate up 30 minutes of your life. But what does a voice message do? It's an in-between. It's not as invasive as a phone call, but it can be listen to it when you're available, like a text message. More importantly, I love voice messaging. Why? It captures the tone, the pitch, the speed. It helps the person identify what exactly do I want to emphasize in that message. So I learned. I hated voice messaging because I thought it was so informal. But in a remote work arrangement, when I'm not always there for them physically, voice messages work.